We're here in Milwaukee. We're at this industrial building, 427 East Stewart Street. Wait, where's the elevator? The Lewis Allis building. Where's the elevator? Oh, there it is. Ooh, this is cool. Wow. Wait. Oh, wow. CJA Anderson triangle buttons. Wow. Oh, it's a Rosenberg. Put my foot in there. Rosenberg, 2,500 pounds capacity. Oh, wow. This is cool. This is cool. Dahlstrom doors. All right, let's go to basement. Rosenberg. All right, this is cool. Down to B. I guess whatever is here, was here, has moved out. Oh, I guess 3 does work. I thought it was locked. It's DC. You can hear the generators. Or you can hear the generator. So you know it's DC power. This is quite a nice elevator. Wow. Center opening doors, DC. It's got a floor indicator. This must have been somewhere nice. All right, we'll go back up to 3. See, I thought 3 was locked off because when you push it, oh, it takes a second, that's why. Oh wow, look, it's got a whole 3-dimensional. They probably just bought that at like Home Depot or something. Wow, the old triangle buttons, that's really cool. This is a really cool elevator. I did not realize this was in here. I just saw the little motorhome on top and figured maybe there'd be something. Excuse me. Jesus, my allergies are killing me. Anyway, might just stay open. Where's the key box? I wonder why it's on that big panel. Is there something behind it? Oh no, they just, I think it's just rough. You have to cover it. Anyway, I think it'll stay open, so that's it.